Hi, Alison here from Gardening by Design with a quick video tip on underplanting shrubs. Like most people, I love the sight of a bed of roses in full bloom in summer, but I hate bare soil underneath them, and that just encourages weeds.
So amongst these roses, I have underplanted, but using a very limited set of the same plants all the way through the roses, and to tie it together with the azalea border. So I have chosen to underplant with heuchera, with various different colour leaves, the grey of Nepeta, which will grow up through the summer and cover all the gaps late in the summer, and these heucherella, similar to a heuchera in leaf, but with these much earlier tall stems of very creamy coloured flowers. And here you can see the same plants underpinning my deciduous azaleas in the other corner of the bed. I've also in here got a couple of penstemon right there in the centre. They will grow up and flower later in the year, of course, because the azaleas will all be over, and I didn't want it to look completely plain.
So the whole area provides flowers from the early azaleas to the final roses of late summer, with a restrained and subtle underplanting giving just a hint of colour when everything isn't in flower and suppresses the weeds.
There's more information about how the box of tricks can help you to plan, plant and look after your plot on my Gardening by Design website, where you can also buy topics and sign up for the newsletter. I hope to see you again soon. Happy gardening!